Here is how to archive a chat in WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you haven't already, just open WhatsApp on your phone and then you reach this page. Then you have to go to the chat which you'll want to archive. So let's say I want to archive this chat over here with Lenskart. Then what I have to do is just long press on it. Then just click on this icon, which is the second from the right. And the chat has been archived. They also have an option to undo it below. But now if you want to access this chat, all you have to do is come on top and you'll see this option, archived. So when you click on this, you'll see all of your archived chats. And here as you can see, the chat with Lenskart has come here. So now you can access this chat from here. And if you want to unarchive it, again, long click on it and then select this option, which is second from the right, and it's unarchived. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.